Our videos are best viewed in full screen.
Welcome to Klixters, where it pays to play. We are going to log in to our member back office, and we are going to show you how easy it is to complete your 3 daily tasks for the day. Log into your back office. This is the first time you are logging in for the day. You will get our welcome screen. This screen is where you will play for your free daily spin. You press the center button and we'll see how many entries we will win. We have won 4 entries. These entries are for chances to win in the daily drawing, which takes place every day at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. When we're done with our free spin, we go to our daily questions. The daily questions are 3 simple questions that we answer about ourselves. And remember, all of your answers are always kept confidential. They are there to better serve you to receive targeted videos. Once we have completed our daily questions, we get our lucky scratch-off ticket, where we will win more entries for the daily drawing. We can win from 1 to 5 entries. After we complete the daily questions, it asks us if we would like to now qualify all of our entries, our old entries plus any new ones that we have won for the next daily drawing. So we will qualify now. We pick to qualify now, so we will watch the daily drawing sponsor video, rate it, and answer a few questions. If we had picked qualified later, it would not give us this option and we could log out and come back at a different time. Hey. The video is over. We will now rate the video. It will ask us if we would like to set this video as a favorite. If we would like to watch this video again or share it with friends and family, we will say yes. Otherwise, we will say no and we will never see this video again. We answer a few questions about the video. And we are now qualified for the next daily drawing. If we have a few more seconds and are feeling lucky, we can play the slot machine. So do you feel lucky? Yes or no? We will never lose any entries, but we have the opportunity to double our entries. We didn't win this time, but we always have tomorrow. We are done with our 3 daily tasks, and now we are at our home page where we can choose to continue to do a few more tasks, or we can return at a later time. You see the countdown timers on the 3 tasks that we did, the daily spin in the header, and the daily drawing and daily questions icons on the main screen. This countdown is counting down to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, no matter where you are in the world, and it also lets you know that you have completed those tasks until that time. If you log in again today, you will just be brought to this home screen. If you complete just one of those tasks, log out and log in, you will be brought to this home screen. If the tasks do not have a timer, it means you have not completed it for the day. We are now going to log out. We thank you for taking the time to learn how to do your 3 daily tasks. And as always, happy Klixting from Klixters support. To log out is one of 2 ways. You can use the hamburger menu and scroll to the bottom and press log out, or you can hit your profile icon, your profile picture in the top right-hand corner, and also log out there.